Ma'am, respected Vinita Agarwal ma'am, and I also thank all the organizing secretary and members of this international seminar. So this international seminar, which is basically based on Indian knowledge system and democracy, and I was given an opportunity to chair the session along with Dr. Preeti Satpathy, and it was a wonderful experience listening to you all. There were so many participants who spoke offline, and along with them there were participants outside the state from Rajasthan and from other places, and after a while you will also be listening to a dignitary from Sri Lanka. So this international seminar for this success. But what I basically want to convey through this international seminar is that it is really very important for all of us to understand the Indian knowledge system. The integration of Indian knowledge system with present day legal education is the crux of this session. And you should understand what is Indian knowledge system. It includes Vedic traditions, it includes Upanishads, Nyaya, Dharma, Samakhya, Mimamsa, lot many things which are there. It is not only law, it also talks about agriculture, it talks about Ayurveda. So it is a basically Indian knowledge system is the gist of the knowledge which has been developed in India over years of time. And this is the time we have to integrate those practices which were there in ancient times to the present legal knowledge system. So it is basically holistic in nature, it is sustainable in nature, because we are trying to merge the nature, the philosophy, the if you talk about Buddhist philosophy, Jain philosophy, all of it includes preachings about meditation, about non-violence, about how to include Nyaya, ethics, or try to merge with the present knowledge system. It is going to bring a very fruitful product which is in contemporary world. It is very important in ethical sense, in spiritual sense, and it is going to give us a cultural identity which India has, but it has not been projected. So once we try to include Indian knowledge system in our education pattern, which is the basic theme of this international seminar, that I am sure which we are going to develop in near future, because national education policy is giving very much stress on Indian knowledge system. So along with this, though we are governed by DCI norms and we don't have NEP in our syllabus curriculum of law, but still Indian knowledge system has its root in law and in the legal philosophy, which we should also concentrate on, and we should focus it on and work on it. Basically, Indian knowledge system is the knowledge which has been accumulated through hundreds of years, and there has been tribal tradition, tribal culture, tribal medicine, agricultural forms, lot many things which we have, Ayurveda, homeopathy. These are the basic knowledge which India has, and now it is the time for all of us to focus on Indian knowledge system and try to integrate and merge with the present knowledge system. So I would like to congratulate all the participants who were here, and basically they talk about legal education, multidimensional research, reintegration of Dharma, Nyaya, traditional concepts into modern legal education, and they also talked about compassion, empathy, Nyaya, Samvad. These were the concepts which were very it was a very fruitful discussion which was taking place, and they also talked about custodial death, the human rights aspect, which is lacking in present day. So they also talked about criminal law, social media, the cyber crime, and the laws which govern the cyber crime and social media, including IT Act, Section 66, Shreya Singhal case. There were so many discussions which took place in this session. One person from Bikaner also spoke about Navtej Johar case. So this has been a very nice session which had lot many conclusions about autonomy of Panchayati Raj, about the reporting of the portal, reporting in the portal of cybercrime, institutional and adoptive factors. They talked about OTT contents were also discussed in this session. So I would like to finally congratulate the organizers and the higher education institution for organizing such a nice international seminar and inviting me here as a chairperson. Thank you so much.